Many small businesses find QuickBooks the best way to handle the organization's financial obligations, as it's easy to use and effective. However, the solution might be unable to keep up with your current business demands due to emerging limitations and compromises. But where do you go from QuickBooks? The best approach to getting your accounting infrastructure in order is opting for a more robust application like Xledger. Here is more on Xledger and how integrating it with a suitable ERP helps boost your overall productivity and efficiency. Xledger is a comprehensive cloud-based accounting software designed to help your business manage its financial transactions and streamline its functions. The solution is perfect for both mid-size and large enterprises, facilitating accounting functions by automating the different routine tasks typically involved. Using Xledger provides you access to real-time reporting, GL analysis, billing and invoicing, drilling down capabilities, business intelligence, and various analytic tools. For nonprofits, the software facilitates donor management and multi-currency abilities to streamline critical accounting operations. Outstanding features of Xledger include asset management, consumer relationship management with Salesforce CRM, and all other accounting capabilities. Integrating it into a smart ERP like Goldfinch improves productivity by providing real-time business intelligence and minimizes overhead. Your ideal accounting software should have all the necessary features to optimize your business, from complex tax calculations to basic invoicing and billing. Here are the essential functions to expect from switching to Xledger. Invoice and billing are two essential and critical functions in accounting, and they control your business's cash flow. Managing these functions on paper is time-consuming, tedious, and more exposed to human error. It also becomes difficult to track invoices since synchronization is typically manual. An accounting solution should address all of these issues effectively while providing additional features to simplify your work. Xledger allows you to create recurring profiles for popular customer orders and schedules automatic invoice sending for each order. You can also track all unpaid invoices, remind the customers to make timely payments, and prevent missing payments. Xledger also streamlines collecting payments by creating an integrated accounting system featuring various online payment gateways. Clients can use these swift and secure gateways to pay you. The payment gateways also record all the payments received and update them to the corresponding invoices automatically. It's also crucial that your business handles different currency types if you deal with international clients. Xledger's multi-currency feature allows your customers to make payments in their favorable currency, while all your accounting is done in your currency. This eliminates discrepancies and all the extra calculations involved in foreign transactions. Keeping an eye on expenses is key to getting a steady grip on your business's cash flow. A comprehensive accounting solution, such as Xledger, helps keep tabs on and categorize your expenses, clearly showing how you spend your resources. The software uploads expense receipts, scans them, and records all the scanned information automatically onto your servers. It eliminates storing paper receipts as proof of transactions and makes it easy to include customer-related costs on the final product price. Xledger includes a timesheet module to help streamline your project management responsibilities. You can use the timesheets to tailor individual customer charges depending on the time spent on their projects, and to manage all project elements, from budgeting to invoicing customers. Keeping up with taxes is challenging for businesses working with multiple tax rates. A proper accounting solution seeks to make working with taxes easier by adhering to your local tax regulations. The software also helps calculate taxes faster and more accurately while guaranteeing a better understanding of taxes through the summary reports. Xledger is a powerful platform that focuses on helping you unlock your accounting function's true potential. Pairing it with a powerful cloud-based ERP like Goldfinch improves overall efficiency and provides real-time data and insights. The following are advantages of a Xledger Goldfinch ERP marriage for your business. The strength of Goldfinch ERP is its ability to tie in departments throughout your organization. Rather than the accounting team accessing financial data alone, the key elements related to your company's finances, such as materials, parts, reordering, shipping expenses, and more, can be connected to and updated by their appropriate departments. One of the main reasons why many companies consider integrating Xledger into an ERP is to improve overall efficiency. The integration allows you to streamline business processes by eliminating duplicate data entry. Automating data entry functions results in more accurate results and streamlines data shared between the two systems. Goldfinch and Xledger integration provides your team with real-time data and even more valuable insights for profitable decision-making. This collaboration offers real-time visibility into your financial data by conveniently analyzing the updated info while it's all in one centralized database. You can use the insights shared to make more timely and informed decisions. Integrating Goldfinch and Xledger automates most redundant and basic accounting tasks, such as billing and invoicing, to streamlining overall operations. Automating these processes speeds up your financial reporting and eliminates the risk of human error in manual data entry. Your business also saves money by achieving a successful Goldfinch Xledger integration. This reduces costs by improving efficiency, reducing the need for manual data entry, and capitalizing on data accuracy. Access to real-time visibility in your financial data also helps you achieve cost savings in the long run. You'll need a quality inventory management solution for your business to guarantee sufficient stock and provide a quality customer experience. Using Goldfinch helps keep up with your inventory by recording SKU codes, adding images, creating bundles, and tracking movement by batch or serial number. You could also set reorder levels to prevent stock runouts. The reporting resulting from integrating Goldfinch with Xledger is another reason you need to move on from QuickBooks and Bill.com. The integration provides access to comprehensive reporting and analysis tools from both solutions. This helps you identify trends and opportunities across multiple departments. Although QuickBooks is a robust accounting application, it might prove inefficient in large businesses with substantial data demands. Xledger, frankly, is better equipped to handle all of your financial processes and help streamline your accounting functions. Integrating Xledger with an ERP such as Goldfinch unlocks its true power and provides real-time visibility into your financial data, while automating the involved operations and improves overall efficiency. Are you curious to learn more? Reach out to us today.